to get away from that ceiling. There he goes again. Ah, he did it.
They're glued together.
Alright, where are you guys? There you are.
He hit me. Not me. I get hit you. We ran into each other.
No, that was all Ken's fault, and I have the documentation. Ken hit you. Oh yeah.
Alright, when will you be posting it?
Maybe tonight, probably tomorrow. Is this thing level? Okay, I wonder if there's a crosswind. 'Cause I can see it even in the camera. Okay. Alright. Probably gyro Oh, that one. That's probably Mike. Yeah. Probably. It looks like something.